All right. Hopefully people will join this time. This is way more interesting than any of my other streams. Worry a little. The speed might be a bit off, but how? All right, share. Just sharing the link right now. If I go to my channel, share, copy link, posts. All right. I had one viewer. What happened to that? Unless that was me. Goodness, I need to find a way to get this. I need a better setup here. Wires keep touching other things and that makes them making noise. Oh my goodness. Alright. No one seems to care. Oh my goodness. Alright. What the heck? No. We need it caught up. That's what we need. Yes, I know. 50. What about 545? 550 should work. And that looks beautiful. Wait. There. And disconnecting. Oh my goodness. Cool. Are you connected? I'm lucky that even worked. Oh my goodness. Wait, what? Oh, right, I have to add 200, so that wasn't even the correct one. Let me save it, thank you. Hopefully it cooperates better now. Except, of course, this 550, 650, 650. What's the beginning one? 450. 450. Alright, I didn't want this part. Okay. Wait, what? Huh? Oh. Wait. No. Wait. nice randomized bricks. All that just to make some progress, just like to make one shape on a bridge. All because this thing has to give me problems. That is stupid. Alright. What if I just like don't for now? Just go back to working on the train. Time for reference images, y'all. How many wheels do they got on there? Y'all, these are really nice images. I don't. Two kind of there and two kind of there. And the length. Wait. 0. Actually, let's go 300. No, 300. Cool. This precise without using math would be insane. There's no way I'd be able to do any of this all just by doing frame by frame. So it's kind of a necessity for me to use some code, please. Thank you. All right. Function wheel. And let me guess, no one's in the chat. X, Y. And then we might as well have an R for that. At the center of the train. So I'll use that to estimate that. 300. Okay, so here we have this. Times I. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, this is the center of 800, so there's 100 on either side, meaning that I want this one at 0, this one at 100, and this one at 500, and this one at 600. Let me look at this again. Actually, now that I look at it, no, actually, because like there's quite a bit of space. So if I go back to, I can't find it. The titles won't load. Wait, ooh, no, it's actually not bad as is. Oh yeah, because there is like 50 in between, because that's with that. Actually, this is kind of perfect. Hold up, if I comment this out. And then make this, you know, if I make alternative versions. This is dumb. Okay. All right. No, I can't. Wish I knew a shortcut. How? It's 200. 125. Get rid of the accent. 125, 125, 125. Cool. And then, that would be what? -2 project. No, to actually get people to watch it these days, huh? To actually get people to watch it these days, huh? Like, sheep. Cool. What if? Alright. Now we need alternative. Alternative translate. And this is hopefully going to be what works. Hopefully. Now this. Hold up. Given the fact that, like, I'm using this train once for the prologue little bit of the show, the very first scene, and that's it, which is kind of stupid. But I plan on reusing the assets from it, heck, maybe even the whole train. And hey, it would still taking a lot quicker than having to draw all the details on the train every single frame. And no, I could just reuse some for the illusion of it moving to the right, but even so, drawing a straight line in like a little drawing app is a pain. Coding a straight line is easy. You just place down your points and boom, you're done. What is going on? There's supposedly viewers right now. Hold up. If I go to my live, what happens if I join? Details on the train every scene. And no, I could just reuse some for the illusion of it moving to the right, but even so, drawing a straight line in like a little drawing app is a pain. Coding a straight line is easy. You just place down your points and boom, you're done. What is going on? Thank y'all for the encouraging comments. There's supposedly the stream is a bit viewers late right now by like half a minute or so. If I go, sorry about that. I do appreciate you watching. Hi to my live. What happens if I join? Details on the train every scene. And no, I could just reuse some for the illusion of being to the right, but even so, okay, I'm accidentally creating a time loop. A pain. Coding a straight line is easy. Just I'm leaving. Place down your points and boom, you're done. What is going on? Thank y'all for the encouraging comments. There's supposedly. Sorry about that. Accidentally got caught in a time loop there. My live stream panel is not working, so I can't connect to chat. So the only way to chat would be to yeah, I can't talk to you guys because of connectivity issues, which I don't know why they're happening, but they just are. But anyways, welcome to this stream. Thank you so much for watching. It means a lot to me. There. Ignore the visual time loop. Yeah, because I just muted that for now. Everyone left. Well, that sucks. Alright, back to coding. If any of you do rejoin, I'd appreciate it. so now there comes another issue, which is, well, some comment this out for just this little bit right here, the speed. Yeah. And oh boy, is that slow. No train moves that slowly unless it's pulling up to a station, which having like 1 pixel per frame. Oh, that's a bit frustrating. Well, on the bright side, that's what I want to do because wheels, you know, consistency is key. In fact, for this, forget the train because this is, wait, this is all in. What is this? Alright, that's a cityscape. That was dumb. Alright. Here's what I want. Oh, goodness. I want another for loop. Yes, I know. 600. Let's say 60, honestly. I want the wheel turn to be consistent with the speed, you know? Which is why I'm going to stroke. Okay, and then point. That did not help. Alright, I think, oh yeah, right. So first of all, 600, I don't want that. I'm making it 700. And then second of all, up here we are going to put the stroke weight actually. Stroke weight, because we want this to be 1, because we're going to be changing it later. Alright, and then to fix the stinking red outline, which doesn't help, we make it black again, and boom, we got our points, but they're not big enough. Now I don't want this slowing the computer down, so see, now they're visible. I'm gonna move this outside the for loop because this is not needed in there at all, actually, because if I just do this, boom, it stays like that. Cool. Now I want points on the the wheels. So another for loop, but before that, I'm just gonna add just another circle inside for detail, just to have something for now. I'll go back over it later. 0, 0, 25, 25. When in doubt, just do half size. Now that looks better. Obviously, it's not complete, but anyways. Alright, and then we have 4. I'm going to start with just to make sure it's starting at the right spot. I'm missing an A. Alright. I less than. No. Oh. I've forgotten how to do for loops. Silly me. I is less than 3. I plus. You know, typing on a keyboard, like an actual computer keyboard, is really difficult. Because you got like the big, thicker, juicier, I don't know, keys. And you have to do the big, instead of just the little quick, nimble typing you can do on a laptop. So desktop is a bit more difficult for me to type because I'm just used to, like, all my middle school and high school years is just laptops. And actually owning a desktop now is super weird. Anyways, so I wanted stroke weight to be, alright, this is gonna mess it up, but, wait, no? Oh, okay. That's because I don't have anything yet, I don't think. Okay. one's also annoying. Stroke weight 1. Stroke. Alright. I want it black. And then fill that. Ellipse that. Stroke weight 3. Oh, again. Right. I can put this outside. And then now for this one I'm going to do blue. Which means I want this to be 0. And this to be the 255. Cool. Now sign of hold on. No. How many do I want? Let's say 12. Let's say I want sine of I times 30. Actually, that's cosine. That I want cosine of I times 30. And that is way too close. I want this times 25, I think. No, wrong one. Again, my keyboard only occasionally lights up, so alright. 12. Oh, I made the stroke weight 12. What the heck? No, I only wanted 3. Alright. Now, testing this is going to be a bit annoying, but it's possible. So, first thing, I don't want it automatically moving. I want to temporarily disable that. I don't. Let's go back to the other function, or the other one. Yeah. So currently, this lines up, but I know based on like, what was I even doing? Like genuinely, what did I've lost my train of thought, pun intended. Alright, yeah, the wheels on the train go round and round. I need to test them. And to do that, I'm going to make a fake frame count, which will allow me to debug. Set it to 0, of course. Fake frame count. 0. Oh, yes. Wheel. Rotate. What is this? Alright. Now I need a reminder. Change back to real frame count. Just so that I remember. Rotate. Fake frame count. I'd say times speed, but I have no idea if that's going to work. Actually, that might work, but I'm going to start with that. And times I plus fake frame count. Alright, and I may or may not need to multiply the value to keep it consistent, with the frame count. That shouldn't be capitalized. Oh my goodness. frame count speed. There we go. Fake frame count. I'm missing one more thing to debug. I'm going to check chat. Okay, hey Morphic. Hello, Radar. I'm pretty sure I recognize you from Khan Academy. What's up? If you're still on. Sorry, I didn't check chat. I'm not used to actually having people to check chat. Alright, Morphic, can you hear me right now? Again, it might be a little, hold on. There, because I can explain it if you want me to, okay. So, I don't know when this, wait, latency? I'm sorry. I'm not the most familiar with that term. I've heard it a lot, but I don't know if I've ever understood entirely what it means. But yeah, I can explain better. I don't know how far behind I am. This is causing a time loop. How do I pop out chat? What does that do? Oh, this is years helpful. Hold on. Okay, this is so much better. Y'all, I can see you guys now. Oh yeah, I don't know how to fix the latency issue, but oh boy, I figured out the ideal stream chat layout. So I don't know if y'all can see yourself right now. Okay, you can. Yeah, it is a little bit far behind. I need to get that back up. So what? Okay, this is, wait a minute. Hold on, chat. I think I'm gonna try a, no. Goodness, no. Just let me, wait. Yes. This is perfect. Okay. YouTube videos. Okay, let's see. I don't know how, like, well, it's like this. I think it's mostly internet connection or something, because, like, I'm trying to keep the latency up to date. But yeah, Windows is finicky. Settings, which, okay. Okay. These settings are different settings. I'm so sorry about this. What is this? Is this the wrong settings? Okay, fair enough. Internet can't be a problem. Oh, I'm so sorry. Yes, settings in OBS. I don't often use OBS settings. Okay. And then find streaming and there should be latency. Alright, stream. Yo. Stream delay, no. Automatically reconnect. I don't know if I'm seeing it. Oh, output. I don't know if it's an output or not. Source alignment. No, wait. Studio mode. Might be in stream or output. Stream or output. Wrong tab. Output. Streaming. This is what's in streaming. Audio, no. Video, no. Hotkeys. No, hotkeys won't help at all. No. Stream. I don't think it's delay. Right? Because if it's off, it should automatically not have it. Recording, video. Let's see. Okay, I'd have to redo it. Well, I guess I'll have to just, like, obviously I can't predict the future, but I guess try my best to, oh crud, I hope I didn't change something I didn't want to, but, I'm gonna have to just, I guess, roll with it, and hope I can respond 20 in OBS so it can process. Okay. Okay, so hold on. If I were, would it work if I set it to 0, or would that harm it, I wonder? Advanced stream delay, enable at 3 seconds. Okay, so just setting it to a lower. Yeah, okay. Settings, output, no. What am I doing? Why did I forget? How did I forget? General. How? Advanced. How did I already forget how to get there? What am I? Why? Output. Stream delay. Advanced. Okay, advanced. How did I not see? Oh, okay. 3. Cool. Is that better now, or? I think I have it at that now. I don't know. Advanced. Says 3 seconds. Not sure if it did. What if I go to this? If I just scroll back and catch it up to live. There we go, switch to live progress. Okay, it might be on my next stream. Okay, then I'll just have to deal with that. So explaining this might be a bit difficult, but anyways, on Khan Academy, it uses, so essentially it's kind of like a grid for each pixel, and I'm not entirely sure how to best explain that, but essentially right here at this top left corner, that's 0, 0, and it's not like other grids because going right is positive, and going down is also positive. So if you want to translate something up, you have to translate it by a negative value, which is, not like, it's not the same as like a math graph where 0, 0 is here and you go right and up, but at least the amount of going to the right is the same. So, to summarize this as much as I can, as quick as I can, and hopefully be easily understood, the background right here makes the background color that color. It's based on the RGB spectrum. You got your red, green, blue. Green and blue are predominantly here, and the closer they get to 255 is white. Leave stream for a sec. Okay. We'll see ya. I'll just be working on other things in the meantime. Like what, I wonder? Oh goodness, stop. Sheesh. What? My equipment is being very impolite. Goodness. Oh my goodness, quit it. Quit fussing. I'll clean up. I'll clear up the area. Press stream delay. You want to turn off that second box. And set your bitrate to constant bitrate. Alright. So if I go to settings and to advanced, and I don't want this. Apply. Okay, that already looks better. And then output, bitrate. Wait. Hold up. Okay, bitrate to constant bitrate. So like, what would like it mean, like constant? How would I get it to be constant? Because right now it's a number, I don't know. I don't know what that would do. Scroll down more. Okay. That's all that shows up. Wait, scroll down more on the audio or video? Video bitrate should be 7,500. Okay. Okay. No need to go excess. Yo, what? Does this still show up Hold on. The stream may or may not have stopped. Did it stop? I'm restarting it. It says 0 concurrent viewers. Are you still here? Okay. I don't know how delayed it is. I believe it saved the settings. Advanced. 3 seconds, that's off. Output 7500. Should work. Save it, yes. Currently the OBS dash thing says that you're not currently viewing, but I don't believe that. Reset stream. Would it like still set to like this like video, or how would I like just reset the stream? Stop streaming and then start streaming? I guess would that still work? Start streaming and name it. Okay. Start streaming. How is it now? Wait, so how do I mean, I clicked stop streaming. How do I fully stop? Do I have to like click end broadcast too or whatever? I'm kind of new to OBS. End the live stream. Okay. Okay, so then I'll go with this.